I got a fine of 200,000 dirhams. That was an emotional call by a clinic owner to me yesterday because there was a DHA inspection and four of the employees were caught working on patients without a DHA license. There was another instance where I know that someone was arrested from an apartment in Dubai because the Russian lady was injecting patients in an unlicensed facility. She did not have the DHA license and she was working in an unauthorized facility. So what is DHA license and what is an authorized facility? Many of you who are in Dubai must have heard this word called DHA license. What is DHA license and how does one get this in Dubai to work legally and professionally as a medical practitioner? The DHA license is a short form of Dubai Health Authority license and is a mandatory requirement for anybody working as a professional medical practitioner in Dubai. The same license can be for a facility and it's called a DHA facility license. That would be for any clinic, home care facility, hospital operating in Dubai and is treating patients. So we have two kinds of DHA license. One is a professional license for medical practitioners and one for facilities offering treatments. A professional can be categorized as a nurse, allied therapist, GP doctor, specialist or a consultant. DHA has a website called the DHA Sharian portal. You have to log on to it, make an account and submit your documents. We need your qualification. For a GP doctor, it should be 1 year of internship followed by 2 years of experience. For a specialist, it would be 3 years of experience post their masters, or nurse would require a 2 years of clinical experience. You have to have all these documents and then submit them to the Sharian portal, which will be verified by a system called PSV. It's a primary source verification. Once they have proved you are meeting the eligibility criteria, then you go for a computer-based testing or an oral exam. Again, will depend on your specialty because some specialties just have an oral exam, but most go for computer-based testing. Once you have completed all the steps, you get something called a professional certificate. This means you're approved to work as a professional in Dubai, but you still need a license, which would only come out from a medical facility. So once you have the professional certificate, to be a licensed practitioner, you need to get a job offer from a clinic, which will convert this professional certificate or eligibility letter into your license. And that's what the DHA license in Dubai.